Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice quadratic equation. X to the power 4 minus x squared plus 8x is equal to 16. We need to find all possible values of x. First of all, we move this 16 to the left side. X to the power 4 minus x squared plus 8x. This plus 16 becomes negative 16 at the left side is equal to 0. Now we write these three terms negative x squared plus 8x minus 16 in parentheses like this: x to the power 4 minus, we use parentheses. Due to this minus, this negative x squared becomes positive x squared, and this positive 8x becomes negative 8x, and this negative 16 becomes positive 16 is equal to 0. Next, x to the power 4 minus, now we can write this expression x squared minus 8x plus 16 according to this algebraic identity: a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b whole squared. We can write this x squared as x squared, and we can write this plus 16 as plus 4 squared, and we can write this negative 8x as negative 2 times x times 4 is equal to 0. Now we can write this x to the power 4 as x squared whole squared minus, and as this expression a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b whole squared, this x squared minus 2 times x times 4 plus 4 squared is equal to x minus 4 whole squared is equal to 0. Now we have difference of two squares. So according to this algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This x squared whole squared minus x minus 4 whole squared can be written as x squared plus this term x minus 4 times this term x squared minus this term x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we remove these inner brackets. X squared plus x minus 4 times x squared. Due to this minus, this positive x becomes negative x, this negative 4 becomes positive 4 is equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression x squared plus x minus 4 is equal to 0, or this expression x squared minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here, this is a quadratic equation and is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. In this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to negative 4. And according to quadratic formula, x is equal to minus value of b 1 plus or minus square root of value of b 1 squared minus 4 times value of a 1 times value of c negative 4 divided by 2 times value of a 1. x is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of 1 squared is 1 and -4 times 1 times -4 plus 16 divided by 2 times 1 2. Next, x is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 16 17 divided by 2. So from here we get two values of x. X1 is equal to -1 plus square root of 17 over 2 and x2 is equal to -1 minus square root of 17 over 2. So these are the two values of x. Now to find other two values, we solve this quadratic equation. This is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. In this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to -1 and c is equal to 4. And according to quadratic formula, x is equal to minus value of b minus 1 plus or minus square root of, in place of b squared we write -1 squared minus 4 times value of a 1 times value of c 4 divided by 2 times value of a 1, and x is equal to positive 1 plus or minus square root of -1 squared is 1 minus 4 times 1 times 4 16 divided by 2 times 1 2, and x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 16 minus 15 divided by 2. Next, x is equal to 1 plus or minus, we can write this square root of -15 as square root of 15 times square root of -1 divided by 2. Next, x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 15. This square root of -1, square root of -1 is equal to I. So we replace this square root of -1 with I divided by 2. So from here we get other two values of x. x3 is equal to 1 plus square root of 15 times I divided by 2, and value of x4 is equal to 1 minus square root of 15 times I divided by 2. So these are the four solutions of this equation.